Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Paddle Subscription Management. Paddle is a powerful platform that allows you to manage and optimize your subscription-based business. In this guide, we will walk you through the key concepts and practical steps to get the most out of Paddle. First, let's start with the basics. Paddle Subscription Management allows you to create and manage recurring billing plans, track customer subscriptions, and automate payment processes. To get started, you need to sign up for a Paddle account and set up your dashboard. Once you have set up your dashboard, you can create a new product and add a pricing plan. You can choose from various pricing models, such as monthly or yearly subscriptions, and set up different tiers with varying prices and features. Next, you need to configure your payment gateway. Paddle supports multiple payment gateways, including Stripe, PayPal, and more. You can connect your payment gateway to Paddle and start accepting payments from your customers. Now, let's talk about customer management. Paddle allows you to track customer subscriptions, including active, inactive, and trial subscriptions. You can also set up automated workflows to handle customer onboarding, renewal reminders, and cancellation notifications. Another important feature of Paddle is analytics and reporting. You can track key metrics, such as monthly recurring revenue, customer lifetime value, and churn rate. This data helps you make informed decisions to optimize your pricing, improve customer retention, and increase revenue. Best practices for using Paddle Subscription Management include setting up clear and transparent pricing plans, providing excellent customer support, and continuously monitoring and optimizing your subscription-based business. In conclusion, Paddle Subscription Management is a powerful tool that helps you manage and optimize your subscription-based business. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a successful and scalable subscription-based business that drives revenue and growth. With Paddle, you can focus on what matters most, which is delivering value to your customers and growing your business.